So anybody that's put together one of these 70 Chevelles or 70 to 72 Chevelles with the reproduction SS dash, or any dash for that matter, they tend to sag on the left-hand side, create a gap between the corner here and where the dash pad installs. And if you notice on the bracket here, if I can get it to focus, there's a larger opening, so it should allow you to bring the dash kind of up. You can see where the old location was, it was marked. Okay, so the thing is, to bring the dash up, there's a lower bracket. I'm going to try to, sorry for the bad photography, there's a lower bracket there that's unbolted right now, and it sits on top of a welded bracket that's on the actual body, the lower bracket from the dash. And what you got to do is put a series of washers. So you want to push up on this as much as possible generally. Figure out your gap there and how thick of spacer you can put between there to get the dash in the higher position. One of the little tricks we do once we figure out how many washers it's going to take is, it's a pain in the butt to get them in there and they fall out. Glue them together. Just a few dabs of a little bit of a super glue adhesive and glue them together. This is the driver of this car. I mean, it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but we're trying to make it, pretty nice for the customer. This was a show car, we'd be going about things a little bit differently. But yeah, that allows you to get that little gap pushed up in between those two brackets and get that dash to meet up tighter and higher to the dash pad. So anyway, fit and finish tip for 70-72 Chevelles.